Hello YouTube, I have here an RC car from New Bright. It's a Polaris General. There will be an unboxing here for about 4 minutes. You can skip if you don't want to look at it. Just taking a closer look at the box. It's a licensed product, like you can see right there. I'll give you the short version of it. Has a simple controller, comes with everything you need in the box, including the AA batteries for the controller. The vehicle itself is charged through the USB port, that green wire that you see there. The vehicle looks very nice. It's well built. There is only traction on the rear. The controller, like I said, it is simple. There is no proportional acceleration or steering. So if you say go left, it goes all the way left. You can go like halfway. Same goes for the acceleration or backwards. If you say go forward, it's full speed forward. If you say go back, it's full speed backwards. It doesn't go really fast, but it can handle carpet, flat surface, even a little bit of grass. I believe the main purpose of this vehicle is to be used indoors, but like you see on this video here, you can definitely take outside and have some fun within the streets, pavement, or even, like I said, short grass. So hope you liked this video. Consider subscribing if you have not. Leave your comment or questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you dislike this video, then say you did not like the video. That's okay, right? So again, this is quick review just to show the vehicle running. Enjoy. Thank you. So what do you see there? It's the vehicle turn left and right, like you see. Go forward, backwards. It's not fast. Vehicle is light. It holds up pretty well to crashes, just because it doesn't go fast. It's pretty light, so it's hard to break. I'll have a clip with my 1.5-year-old son playing with it. I believe this vehicle is rated for 6+ years, which makes sense, but even a 1.5 years, 2 years old, they can play, and it's not gonna break that easy. This is Anthony playing with the car. Like I said, he likes this RCs very much. He keeps going back and forth. He doesn't really know how to steer or give any good direction to the vehicle, but he has so much fun. So this is not the only one. I mean, the only RC vehicle that he has. Keep buying this. It's cheap, it's fun, it's USB charged, it has lights. It's a very good looking vehicle and very cheap. Anthony have a lot of fun with this one. He also have a Corvette that I did review on the channel, and a Ford F-150 as well. So having one or more than one, it's ideal, because when it's charging, he's playing with the other one. You know how these kids goes, right? Babies, they don't really understand that you need to charge. So as the battery dies, he's looking for what's going on. So I just get another truck, give it to him, and he start playing again. This final shot here is really filmed outside to prove the point that it can really run through grass. Handles pretty good, to be honest. I thought these vehicles would not go through grass at all, but like you can see here, it can handle a little bit of grass, no problem. It can handle carpet, which again, I believe that's where people will use this vehicle more often, inside. But if you go outside, you can go through a little bit of grass, and sometimes it gets stuck, so go back and forth. But you got the idea. Alright, so I hope that this video again have helped you somehow. Consider subscribing, leave your comment or question. I will get back to you very shortly. Leave your like or dislike. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.